if we look at that C2H4 molecule, we figured out that it's got a double bond between the two carbons and then two single bonds to each hydrogen. That means that each carbon has 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. Those are hybrid bonds, and it's got one pi bond. That's an unhybridized bond. If I look at the valence electrons of carbon, it's 2s2, 2p2, 1, 2s orbital, 3, 2p orbitals. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But this doesn't explain how I could form 3 sigma bonds in one bond. If I hybridize these orbitals, if I mix 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, I use 1 s orbital and 2p orbitals, and I make 3 degenerate hybridized sp2 orbitals. Then I can put 1, 2, 3 electrons in there, and these are the electrons that are used to make the sigma bonds. Okay, I still have an orbital left over, and it's an unhybridized 2p orbital. That's the one that's used to make the pi bond. Right, so if I draw an MO or show the molecular orbital overlap, if I have my carbon, if I have 3 sp2 orbitals, they're going to distance each other as far away from each other as possible. I have 1 sp2 orbital here, another one up here, sp2. I'll put 1 electron in each of these, and I'm going to have another one down here like this. Okay, but I'm going to have another carbon, and that carbon is also going to have 3 hybrid sp2 orbitals, right? I have an sp2 orbital here. That's going to share an electron. This is to make a sigma bond. I have the other one up here, another sp2 orbital, and another sp2 orbital over here. Okay. Now, the 4 hydrogen atoms, none of those are hybridized, right? Hydrogen has an electron configuration of 1s1. So it's just going to have a 1s orbital, right? 1s and 1 electron. We got this electron. 1s and 1 electron. 1s from the hydrogen and 1 electron, and 1s and 1 electron. So those are my hydrogens, right? My 4 hydrogens, like that. So where is the unhybridized p orbitals? I have 1 here. This is a p orbital. Okay, I'll call it a p. It's got 1 electron. And this is a p orbital that has 1 electron in it. Okay, and those orbitals overlap. Now, I can't draw it. I'm not a good enough artist to show those connecting to make a good looking pi bond, but I can draw a line like this to show you that they do connect, okay, or they are touching, and that is the pi bond. So again, I have 1 sigma bond here. I have another sigma here, 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 here. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigmas in 1 pi bond. And that is the orbital overlap diagram for ethylene.